My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Tron TRX crypto. What's the current price of TRX? What's the price change of coin the TRX? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, my friends, you can see now on the screen that is the live price chart of the TRX after last 1 hour. You're watching now on the screen, friends. If you look the currently latest price changes occur in the TRX, so 1.13% positive changes occurs in the TRX in the last 24 hours. Let's see, my friends, the more details about TRX, friends. Now you can see here the latest price of the TRX Tron in the market is 0.07253 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the TRX. And if you look the open market price of the TRX is 0.07176 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the TRX. And if you look the low price, so the low price is 0.06981 USD dollar is the low price in the 24 hours, friends. And if you look the highest price of the TRX in the market in the 24 hours in the last 1 day, so 0.0809 USD dollar is the highest price of the TRX in the last 24 hours, friends. And the supply volume of the TRX is 100.85 billion is the supply of the TRX in the last 24 hours. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. Absolutely, you can see here, as I told you in my every videos, that there is the common procedure of the cryptocurrencies market, that after a fast zero jump, seem like that jump fast down, jump, friends. And now, friends, my prediction about TRX is that I believe that there is a huge pump coming soon tonight, friends. Be ready. That is the last 1 hour pricing, and I believe that the big jump of the TRX are coming soon in the last half this tonight, friends. So my recommendation, my suggestion for everyone is that it's time to hold. I know this time the price is fast down for a little time, but this not be that you decide to sell. It's time to hold, my friends. My personal recommendation is that it's time to hold, not to sell. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.